what's up? Welcome back to our channel, Perfectly Imperfect Family. So it's just morning and we've just woken up. Ziyu has also just woken up, oh she's all ready. So guys, today's video is about her brushing routine, is about how we brush our teeth early in the morning, right Ziyu? अच्छा पहले सबको हाय बोल दो. हाय. अच्छा आप सबसे पहले क्या करते हो सुबह उठ के? ब्रश करते हैं. वेरी गुड. वाह. She is around 2 years old. She's gonna be 2 very soon, and we use Mimi toothbrush for her. This is, I think, the starting toothbrush that they have. It is from 1 to 2 years, and we use Mimi toothpaste. This is the toothpaste that we use for her, and I just want to tell you, this is not a promotion. We're not promoting Mimi brands. I mean, we're just showing you कि हम ये वाला use करते हैं, and this was recommended by the doctor, so we started using this. So let's brush our teeth, Ziyu. Oh, I love you. So guys, we're gonna brush our teeth, but this video we're gonna give you a flashback as to how we started. I mean, this was not very easy that one fine day we just woke up and I was like, come on Ziyu, let's brush our teeth, and she started doing this. No, चलो मैं आपको brush कराती हूँ अच्छे से. So what you guys saw right now of Ziyu brushing her teeth on her own is like after months of struggle, okay? After months of struggle of basically trying to put brushing thing into her morning and evening routine, it took a long time. I mean, new parents, you all would agree to me, बहुत time लगता है यार. कुछ भी चीज एक्चुअली उनके रूटीन में मिलाने के लिए, उनके रूटीन में लाने के लिए थोड़ी बहुत क्या बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत लगती है. In case as new parents, if you guys are also struggling to make your babies brush their teeth, so then I have some few tips that work for her. And let me tell you guys. So सबसे पहले तो, you know, before she was 1 year old, we did not do anything. We did not make her brush her teeth or anything like that. हमने बस ये make sure किया था that we used to give her enough water after every meal and before she sleeps. So पानी पिलाने से क्या होता है, उनका oral hygiene maintain होते रहता है, you know, because obviously babies start getting their teeth after their 7-8 months, and it is important that as soon as they start teething, we have to maintain their oral hygiene. Now after she was 1 year old, what we actually started doing is that हम जब brush करते थे, basically used to make her watch. We used to brush our teeth in front of her, so she used to see that, you know, we are putting the paste on the brush. We used to make it sound very exciting कि सुबह उठ के brush करना चाहिए, दांत साफ हो जाते हैं. So she used to watch, and kids love imitating. Kids imitate everything. पता ही है ना, तो kids imitate everything. सब कुछ copy करना होता है उनको. So she also wanted to brush her teeth. She got excited about the whole brushing process and she's like, मुझे भी चाहिए, मेरे को भी दो and all of that. We were like, देंगे. But हमने फिर क्या किया? When I was brushing my teeth, I used to run my fingers onto her teeth in that brushing motion, and that way she kind of got introduced to the brushing experience. So first हमने brush use नहीं किया था. I used to make her stand next to me, and जब भी हम brush करते थे, we used to just run our fingers through her teeth, and we used to just help her brush her teeth with the hand itself. We never used brush or paste or anything like that. After she was fine with that, one more thing we did which really helped. You know, she loves nursery rhymes. All kids do. They love music and songs and cartoon songs and all of that. बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं दिखा रहे हम, but we show her a lot of these songs wherein the kids have a bathing routine, you know, wherein the kids have a sleep routine, so they also want to copy that. So like that, there's a song in which this baby is actually brushing his teeth and is singing about how he brushes his teeth early in the morning. It's called "This is the way we brush our teeth, we brush our teeth, we brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning." Check that song out. So we played that for her, and whenever she used to, तो morning हम लोग क्या करते थे, सबसे पहले we used to play that song and we used to go brushing. So she also used to get very excited. She also used to come, it's time for brushing, and that song she related with brushing. तो जब भी वो गाना बजता है तो she's like, it's time to brush. So that way it really worked, and we got her all really excited for this brushing thing. And then is when we got her a small brush and a paste, so she was super excited to try them on.
Okay, brush. इससे क्या करेंगे? ब्रश करेंगे. पेस्ट. ये पेस्ट इस पे से लगा के करेंगे. ठीक है?
And obviously the main challenge is that they don't know how to spit, so they might swallow the paste. And kids का toothpaste बोलते हैं that it is fluoride free, and you know it's okay if you swallow a little bit, but as parents I know that we would be quite concerned. So I would say पहले पेस्ट मत डालो, पहले बस ब्रश को पानी में मतलब थोड़ा सा भिगो के you make them brush their teeth, and tell them to try it on their own also. So when you are brushing your teeth, make them stand next to you so that they also copy, and slowly they will learn. So firstly, since you are using only water, make them to spit. So that is also a very big challenge. It will take some time. They don't know how to spit, you know, they will just swallow whatever is there. So make them spit, show them how you spit. So slowly it took her good 1 to 2 weeks to start spitting. She was not doing it at all. तो पहले हमने भी paste use नहीं किया था. Once they start spitting and they know how to spit, then you can give them a little bit of paste. And बस ऊपर थोड़ा सा rub कर दीजिए. Don't use a peanut size amount. I think that will be a lot. Slowly they will do it on their own. Yeah, now she is doing it on her own. It is not 100% perfect, but I'm really happy and proud as to, you know, how she's actually taken it into her routine and how she wants to brush her teeth in the morning. So she basically goes for 2-3 rounds also. Once when I brush, so she wants to brush with me. When Asad brushes, she wants to brush with him also. So she really likes it, and all kids will do, you know, we just have to make it really exciting and fun for them whatever we are doing. This is how we started her brushing, and you know how we got the brushing thing into her routine. So guys, I hope this video was useful to you. ऐसे ही हम अपने छोटी छोटी बातें शेयर करते रहेंगे आपको, because parenting is all about sharing. You know, it is not something that we can do on our own, all alone. I did not know a lot of things. I'm learning new things every day. We all are learning new things every day. So I thought that, you know, it's always good to share. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope you liked this video. In case you did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Perfectly Imperfect Family. We come up with a lot of parenting videos, a lot of family vlogs, baby vlogs. I also come up with a lot of maternity and motherhood videos. So stay tuned to our channel, subscribe to our channel. See you guys next week. Bye bye and lots of love.